Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an active YouTube Premium plan. This is the only official way. Once confirmed, install or update the YouTube app because background features rely on the latest build. Open a video and press play, then press home. On most phones, audio should continue. If it stops, make sure background play is enabled under Settings, Background, and Downloads. You're doing this first, so subsequent steps assume the official background policy and app support are already met. Once the app is ready, configure both app and system settings so audio keeps playing when you switch apps. In YouTube settings, set background play to always or headphones/external if you prefer. Next, disable battery optimization for YouTube. This prevents the OS from killing playback in the background. On Android, also enable picture-in-picture for smoother multitasking. These steps ensure the app isn't suspended and explain why. The OS, not YouTube, often stops background audio unless allowed explicitly. Finish by testing. Play a video, lock your screen, switch apps, and connect headphones or Bluetooth to confirm stable playback. If audio stops, clear the YouTube app cache, sign out then sign back in, and if that fails, reinstall the app. These steps fix common corrupt states. Make sure your subscription shows active in account purchases. Without it, background play will be blocked. If problems persist, contact YouTube support, but first try clearing cache. This single tip resolves most background playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.